I have a passion, a deep passion for mental health awareness because of my own personal struggles. And I feel incredibly better now because of those struggles and because of being open with the challenges of addiction, of depression, anxieties, fears that I've faced. And I'm here today, I'm standing. I like to talk about these things with people that I care and love because I want them to know that they're not alone and to break the stigma of those dealing with these. So to support this cause and bring awareness means so much to myself, my family, our team, and I'm just so grateful that all of you are here.